Sweden develop its next-generation high-speed rail network, including a connection between Gothenburg-Borås. The aim is to deliver better journey times and accessibility, while minimizing the impact on the environment or nearby inhabitants. This project is fully in line with Ramboll's values and is transforming Sweden into a sustainable society. Sweden's national operator SJ has secured a $170 million loan from the European Investment Bank for the purchase of 25 new 250 km/h EMUs to increase capacity on its mainline services. The entry into service of the new EMUs will see the withdrawal of all locomotive-hauled passenger trains in Sweden, except for overnight services where SJ is currently undertaking a fleet refurbishment program. The new X80 fleet, based on Alstom's Zafiro Express design, will also be the first in Sweden with a maximum speed of 250 km/h. They will be deployed over a 3-year period from 2026 on mainline services from Stockholm to Malmö, Västerås and Uppsala, as well as on other SJ routes with heavy traffic. Passenger traffic in Sweden is currently growing at twice the rate of comparable networks elsewhere in Europe. SJ is also modernizing its X2000 tilting train fleet and double-deck EMUs for regional services, and its fleet refurbishment program could cost a total of SKR 20 billion once inflation, interest rates. The East Link Rail Project. Sweden's mission is to search for a suitable rail corridor to provide better journey times and accessibility, while minimizing the impact on the environment or nearby inhabitants. This needs a holistic approach, using learnings from both previous assessment experiences and the new perspectives. This includes that the similar work done on the East Link Rail Project will be useful, and the two projects will be able to exchange experiences. The East Link Rail Project is also a part of the new high-speed rail from Stockholm to Gothenburg. The result will be increased capacity for the railways, better and faster passenger traffic, and a positive contribution to regional development. It is an incredibly important and exciting project, both regionally and nationally for Sweden. The new railway will simplify everyday life for many people and make it possible to travel faster and more sustainably. Not only will the two largest cities in western Sweden be better linked, but the connection to Gothenburg-Landvetter Airport will be vastly improved. The Sweden Transport Administration presented to the government some proposals related to interventions on the road and railway networks listed in the 2026 to 2037 National Infrastructure Plan. The framework includes investments 27.6 billion EUR for road maintenance works and 19.5 billion EUR for railway maintenance works, 20 billion of which are intended for a new signaling system, and 36.7 billion EUR to develop previously launched projects. According to the forecasts for 2040, car travel will increase by about 25% and train one by 50% due to economic and population growth. The designs and projects submitted concern the introduction of a new rail signaling system, originally due for 2070 but anticipated in 2040, the works to complete the eastern Järna-Linkoping rail connection, and the design phase for the realization of the new Gothenburg-Borås and Lund-Hässleholm rail routes.